also dependent on good looks? Pwede, di ba? Bakit ako bibili ng insurance sa'yo? Ang dumi-dumi ng kuko mo. Right? For example, there is a level of presentability that you need to portray if you want to look credible, especially if you're selling something that is high net worth. Agree? In 1994, one of the most controversial studies published by the Harvard Business Review concluded that American CEOs get promoted in their jobs not just because of their technical expertise, but also because of this one physical trait. And what is that? Physical trait. American CEOs. You see this immediately the moment you see the person. That's right, it's height. It's height. When you happen to be taller, there's a level of command and authority that you possess. Agree? And if I may ask the ladies about this, sometimes kahit mukhang bakulaw, basta 6'3 or 6'4.
Attractive.
Pwede na. Pwede na, di ba? And the reason for that is because when you happen to be taller, you tend to be more commanding, right? But beyond height, it's also about how you portray yourself. If you're not blessed with the most stunning looks like a model, you manage your clothes. You manage your confidence. You manage the way you speak. That's how you compensate in the world. Because is the world unfair? Yes, it is. But the point of life is to manage the unfairness and navigate through it. That's what makes life exciting.